Programming roadmap for beginners. Beginner level. Introduction. Many beginners want to learn programming but often feel confused about where to start and what to learn next. Programming involves many concepts such as programming languages, data structures, algorithms, software development tools, system design. Without a clear path, beginners may jump between topics and struggle to make progress. A programming roadmap provides a structured learning path that helps beginners move from basic concepts to advanced software development skills. What is a programming roadmap? A programming roadmap is a step-by-step guide that shows what topics a beginner should learn in order to become a programmer. In simple words, programming roadmap equals a learning path from beginner to professional developer. It helps learners focus on the most important topics first. Stage 1. Learn basic programming concepts. Before learning complex systems, beginners should understand the fundamentals of programming. Important concepts include variables, data types, operators, input and output, conditional statements, if-else, loops, functions. Example Python code. Age equals 20. If age greater than equals 18. Print. Adult. Else. Print. Minor. These concepts form the foundation of programming. Stage 2. Learn a programming language. Next, beginners should choose one programming language and learn it well. Common beginner languages: Python, JavaScript, Java. Example: def greet, name, print, hello, name, greet, Alice. Focus on understanding. Checkmark syntax, checkmark functions, checkmark modules, checkmark error handling. Learning one language deeply makes it easier to learn others later. Stage 3. Learn data structures. Data structures help organize and store data efficiently. Common data structures include arrays, lists, strings, hash maps, dictionaries, stacks, queues, trees, graphs. Example: numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Understanding data structures is important for writing efficient programs. Stage 4. Learn algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step procedures used to solve problems. Important algorithm topics include searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, recursion, time complexity, Big O notation. Example: sorting algorithm idea. Input 5, 3, 8, 2. Output 2, 3, 5, 8. Learning algorithms improves problem-solving skills. Stage 5. Learn object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, OOP, helps structure programs using classes and objects. Important OOP concepts: classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Example: class person, def greet, self, print, hello. OOP is widely used in modern software systems. Stage 6. Learn development tools. Professional developers use various tools to build and manage software. Important tools include Git, version control, GitHub, code hosting, code editors, VS Code, IntelliJ, debuggers, package managers. Example: Git commands, git init, git add, git commit m, first commit. These tools are essential for real-world development workflows. Stage 7. Learn web or software development. After learning the fundamentals, beginners can specialize. Common paths include web development. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend frameworks, databases. Backend development. Learn APIs, databases, authentication systems, server architecture, data science. Learn Python, machine learning, data analysis, statistics. Mobile development. Learn Android development, iOS development, cross-platform frameworks. Stage 8. Build real projects. Projects are the best way to practice programming skills. Examples: to-do list application, weather app using APIs, blog website, chat application, REST API server. Projects help developers checkmark apply concepts, checkmark improve debugging skills, checkmark build a portfolio. Real-life analogy: learning programming is like learning how to build a house. Steps: learn basic tools, programming fundamentals, learn construction techniques, data structures and algorithms, learn architecture, software design, build real houses. Projects: each step builds on the previous one. Common mistakes beginners make. Many beginners crossmark try to learn too many languages at once. Crossmark skip programming fundamentals. Crossmark avoid building projects. Crossmark focus only on theory. The best approach is checkmark learn concepts step by step. Checkmark practice regularly. Checkmark build real applications. Advantages of following a roadmap. A clear roadmap helps beginners checkmark learn efficiently. Checkmark avoid confusion. Checkmark track progress. Checkmark build real-world skills. It also prepares learners for software development careers, where programming skills are used. Programming skills are used in many fields: web development, artificial intelligence, mobile applications, game development, cybersecurity, cloud computing. Examples: websites, mobile apps, AI systems, financial software. Programming powers much of the modern digital world. Simple definition: programming roadmap, a structured learning path that guides beginners from basic programming concepts to advanced software development skills. Final summary: a beginner programming roadmap typically follows these stages. Learn programming basics. Learn a programming language. Study data structures. Understand algorithms. Learn object-oriented programming. Use development tools. Choose a specialization. Build real projects. Following this roadmap helps beginners develop strong programming skills and practical experience.